right, hey y'all, welcome back. I'm bringing y'all a banger book review. Yes, this is the Magic Candle by Charmaine Dey. And all the information will be below. If you want to purchase this book, it'll be below. Basically, this book is if you don't know nothing about candle magic and you want to learn, and like if I had to say like one book that would just kind of give you that foundation, the fundamentals of candle magic, it will be this one. It is very beginner friendly. If you're advanced, you probably wouldn't find it helpful. Because you already know everything about candle magic. But you want to brush up on your skills, or you new to this, then this is helpful. Again, this is with any spiritual magic. Everything in here will not apply to you. You know, it's good and bad in this book. But the thing that I can say about the bad in the book, even if you're not applying that to your life, it's still good to review those things so you'll know when you come across it, and you kind of not like, because you know, with me, I have knowledge of both, but it's what I choose. I choose the light. So you still want to be informed on when you see these different things, like the different figure candles, the skull candles and stuff like that. You want to know the meaning and what people do with them. Not necessarily saying you're going to do that now. Don't do that. We don't do that on the over here, okay? But it's good to know, so when you come across those things or you see other people working with those things, you be like, okay, I know what type of time you on. Okay, I am not judging, but I know what type of time you on, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna, and then it teach you how to create your own development. Like I said, in any of these books, these are suggestions. You might read this and you might develop your own technique for how you want to do your candles. Look, I'm finna start going throughout. I'm gonna give out my own little tips that's not in the book. So, and it's very thin. I like that it's straight to the point. Like, it's no fluff in it. It's like straight to the point. And also, it does have a table of contents. I know y'all thinking like, don't all books have that? But a lot of these spiritual books they don't have the table of contents. Like, you have to go through and make your own, like mark your own chapters and stuff. I know that it's crazy. I'm like, especially when they're thick. I can't stand that. But yeah, this has a table of contents, and it's very thin and straight to the point. It's 62 pages. So that's what 30 pages front and back. I think the book, I can't remember the price, but I think it is, it's under $10, I think. So, and I'm going to go over it. Make sure that y'all read the introduction. Read the book. That's telling you about the author, the purpose, why did they write the book. It's helpful information in there. Don't skip over that, okay? So the first part, it goes over the types of candles. And altar candles, the 7-day candles, your zodiac or astral candles. It goes over novelty candles, like the 7-knob candles, the reverse candles, double action candles, image candles, which, you know, I don't recommend that. And they have other candles in here that, you know, we don't bother those. But it is still good to read over and know what you're, when you're searching for candles and stuff, you know what all this is. And it gives you the color symbolism. It goes into depth about the colors. So that's really good to know. And they're really, it's not even, for each color, it's like a paragraph. So you can easily memorize those things. It's not hard. So it goes from white, green, purple, silver, brown, all the colors. Then it has a section on the dressing of your candles, how to cleanse them, bless them, and the ritual, like the step to, like actually going through, like cleaning your candle, dressing your candle, blessing it, and then lighting it and stuff like that. There are tons of different ways to clean candles. I keep it simple. this goes into detail on like depth. I like to keep it simple. Y'all know my channel by now. I like to keep things simple. So the best way I say to clean your candles is with pine sol or ammonia. And some people might do a tea. I think it's the hyssop tea or the chamomile. I hope I'm saying those right. That some people might brew a tea and then clean it with the tea and say a certain psalm over it. But the simplest way I always say to do them is just clean it with the pine sol and or ammonia, and you can bless it with the 23rd psalm, you know. But it's so many different ways. Everybody works different, you know what I'm saying? So you just have to do what works for you. All right. So yeah, see, they go into like how to charge the candles and how you charge your glass enclosed candles and how you do the plain wax candles that's not in a jar. Lord, they go into the solar cross and the banishing pentagram. I don't work with all that, so you know. But yeah, it tells you how to charge the different candles, like even the 7 knob candles, and then it goes over lighting your candles. The thing that I was taught about lighting candles is to never put your never blow the candle out, but just always pinch it out. And I'm gonna make another video going into how to do your candles and stuff like that. I'm gonna make another video on that, but right now it's just mainly going in, you know, talking about the book or whatever. And then it has a section on suggested oils for charging your candles. Again, suggested oils. You don't have to use these oils, okay? You don't have to. But I'll go over like 2 of them because I want to still keep the video kind of short. Now take this for instance, like if you want to draw something to you. You can use magnet or attraction or come to me. Now a lot of people will take that come to me oil and use it for other purposes, you know, like trying to draw people to them. Or don't do that. Don't mess with people's free will. Don't do that, y'all. I'm gonna make a video on that too. But yeah, you can use that like when you want to draw money into, you want to attract. Just think about other things, money, job opportunity. If you're trying to buy a home, you just think outside the box with that. You know, it don't always have to. Come on. And like here it says, to obtain peace, myrrh oil is good. To obtain employment is success. That is really good. The success oil is good for that. This is got a section on incense. Has a section on seals and parchments. I don't work with seals, but I do use parchment paper. And parchments, but not necessarily the seals. And then that was part 1. Then it goes into part 2. This is the planning and timing. It goes over the planning, the renewal. Has a section on that. But everybody different. Take what you need and leave the rest, you know. Then it has a section on the planetary hours. And it has the wheel of rotation for the planetary hours, like that. Again, I don't use that. It also has the planetary hours, the table of the planetary hours. It has a section on the nature of the planetary influences, which is the sun, the moon, Mars, Mercury, and Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. And then it has a section over the moon and spellcasting, because a lot of people like to work with the moon. I work with the moon too, with bay leaves and stuff, like during the full moon and stuff like that. But this is for candles and stuff, so you take what you need. And it goes over the moon in the different zodiac signs, like the moon in Aries, moon in Leo, stuff like that. And what else? Yeah, that's it. And as y'all can see, women had this book for so long. It's like it's coming apart. But it really is a great book. Y'all let me know. Again, if you want to purchase the book, the link will be down below. And y'all let me know how y'all have used this book. Did y'all find it helpful? Because me, I stick with tradition too. I keep my traditions and what I have been taught, but I also add my little spin and do like add new things that work for me. You know, I incorporate the old with the I take out of it what works for me. You know, so y'all let me know below if y'all have this book, how y'all have used the book, and how it has helped you during your candle magic journey. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. This is a gem right here. Like this, I'm telling you, won't be disappointed. Like I can't imagine you buying this book and you not finding something in here that you need or found helpful and useful, especially if you're a beginner. Like I said, if you're advanced, you probably will not find this book helpful because it's basically talking about everything you already know. But very beginner friendly, very, very beginner friendly. And also, y'all, by the time y'all see this video, y'all can shop. Y'all can shop the candles. And I'm gonna do another video more in detail on the candles, because these are more like the 7-day candles. These are intention candles, and the big candles right here are 14-day candles. But to shop the website, yes, you can shop now. You can go here, scan this QR code, and yes, y'all just I'm so excited. But yeah, y'all go shop with your girl. Let me know what y'all think about my new candle line. So yeah, until next time, because it's gonna be a next time. Okay, you're gonna keep coming for this spirit game, for this spiritual game. Okay. So until next time, y'all stay blessed and have a faith. And if you're not already subscribed, go subscribe.